Hello. So today's question is, a pendulum is hung from a roof of a sufficiently high building and is moving freely to and fro like a simple harmonic oscillator. The acceleration of the bob of a pendulum is 20 meter per second square and the distance of 5 meter from the mean position. The time period of the oscillation is. So here we are seeing that acceleration equals to omega square y. Here y is equal to the distance. So 20 equals to omega square 5 and we have to find the time period of the oscillation. So first we find omega, which we get as 2 radian per second. Then we know the time period equals to 2 pi by omega. So here we see that our answer, that is time period, equals to pi second. That means our answer is C part. Thank you.